Abortion wasn't the only big issue at the Supreme Court today. Justices also heard arguments on the death penalty, specifically whether the newly organized firing squad or the old electric chair are legal ways to execute death row inmates. Both sides spoke today about what constitutes cruel and unusual punishment.
And 143 other civilian firing squad executions in American history, not going all the way back to colonial days. There have obviously been more than that in terms of military executions. The point is that this has always been a method that jurisdictions have authorized to be used for carrying out an execution.
Unusual just means uncommon, rare. That's what it meant in 1970 when the people voted on this, when the General Assembly passed it. That's what it means now about that. Is the firing squad unusual? Yes, it's unusual. It's been used in less than 1% of executions. It's been used 3 times since 1976, all in the state of Utah.
It has been more than a decade now since the last condemned inmate was executed in the state of South Carolina. For years, death row inmates could choose to die by the electric chair or lethal injection, but with the state unable to get lethal injection drugs and with no inmates choosing the chair, the state came up with the firing squad option to resume those executions. The Department of Corrections has made changes to the capital punishment facility at Broad River Road to accommodate that firing squad. Now, polls show that a majority of Americans support the death penalty, but there is a growing number of states that have outlawed the practice. Currently, 23 states do not have the death penalty, and 3 others have moratoriums on capital punishment imposed by their governors. South Carolina is one of 24 states that currently has the death penalty.